What's going on, you guys? Hey, I wanted to make a quick video just to show you guys the Mac. Got it out, took it and gave it a good old bath today, and I think it turned out pretty good. It is a 2017 Nissan Maxima, and I've got 30% on the windshield and 20% on the sides, and it's a solid car for sure. It's got the black cloth interior. Definitely thinking about doing some vinyl wrapping and different stuff like that, so stand by. This has more to come. Alright, you guys, this video is bopping around a little bit, but I have come to one of my favorite places in the world, and that is the junkyard. 100% the junkyard. I love the junkyard. August likes the junkyard too, even though he doesn't go inside.
You've arrived.
Yeah, I know. I hope her transmission ain't stuck, because I ain't pushing. Oh, she's moving. He picked that thing up by its window. Oh my bad. They just chopped it. Really? Just chopping pieces off of it. Wow. Yeah, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. At Cars by Victor. Right now I'm in the junkyard. I'm walking, I'm scouting, I'm looking to see if I see any f250s in here, see what the parts look like. So for the next couple of months I'm going to be junkyard picking. And I love doing that. It's fun to me, it's therapeutic for me, it's relaxing for me. And it's going to give me time to get to know you guys, and I'll be able to hopefully find some cool cars and cool trucks that I can show you that are in the junkyard. You always run across something neat and cool. One thing I can definitely say, you guys, is that, you know, if you're ever looking for a part in the junkyard, what I always do is I use this headlight space right here. Like this whole, like if I think about what the vehicle is, so say I'm looking for a Mitsubishi Montero. This is a Mitsubishi Montero. I remember what the headlight looks like here, so then as I'm looking down the line, I can see which headlight it is, or which headlight housing it is. And that gives me the ability to know what it is that I'm looking for. They got a Nissan Armada over here. Let's see what this is looking like. See what the Armada's up to. What did they do to it? I always am curious as to what somebody might have done to their car and how bad it looks now. Ooh, looking a little tough in here. Looks a little tough. Still got the black leather, but yeah. It's amazing how people tear cars up, or cars just decay over time if they're not completely taken care of. See, guys, it's something different for the channel. We're in the junkyard looking at old stuff. Oh my gosh, poor engine. Sometimes I get a little sad when I look at different cars and how they look now versus what I know that they could look like. But you know, it's just a piece of machinery, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, these little, if you're not paying attention, they will knock you on your ass so quick. Excuse my French. But yeah. Anyway, you guys, thank you for tuning in to the channel. I'm in the junkyard. Salvage yard. It's not junk. Salvage. Yeah. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the F250 build here in just a little bit.
A tall tower in the heart of Bear Country. We are your home for Robbie and Cal in the morning, Cadillac Jack afternoons, and the Southside's best country all day long. We are the Bear 92.5, the Georgia Radio Alliance station.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Another video probably isn't that good. I'm in the 6.0 right now. I'm riding out, going out to the mechanics. He specializes in 6.0s specifically. And we're gonna go get this tuned up. Make it run all nice and smooth like it's supposed to run. It's doing good. It's holding temperature well. Trans temperature is holding well. Oil temperature level is holding well. But it's definitely got some work that needs to be done on it. Something's just not completely 100%. And we're going to get it right. He feels confident. I'm confident in him. And yeah, so you guys stay tuned. Next video. Y'all saw that? You felt that? Felt that? That's what the issue is. So y'all stay tuned. More to come. Trying to get here before it gets dark out. Got a couple more minutes, so I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right, you guys, I'm out here where the F250 is, getting worked on. It's sitting there looking pretty good. Ooh, I ran over something. It must have been a rock. But yeah, he's putting it together. There's his 6.0 sitting over there, and yeah. Bye, big boy.